Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to another Unplanned video. Today is the 21st of July and as you can tell it's another scorchio day. Just been down for a swim. Beautiful start of the day. The pool is like getting into a warm bath. Alan's warm bath.
Alan's deep bath.
We're down to the final lather.
Going to see if Pam wants a croissant for breakfast. And then I think we're going to have a little day trip out. Okay, just a little update. Just done some more washing on the roof there. Going for the van now and we're heading to Tortosa, like 20 minutes down the road. And I must say the views, whew, beautiful. Have a little look around here. You know, on the in-between is foreign police, right?
Oh, heads down, boys.
Shit. What? Why? We haven't done anything.
Foreign police, innit?
So? Don't you even know about foreign police? What? Short sleeve uniforms? Chunkier truncheons? Oh, fucking hell.
Just arrived at Tortosa Castle and this looks pretty nice indeed. I'm going to get the drone and have a little walk up. Looks beautiful. Nice little drive up as well, like coming up through the town. They must have had some kind of fiesta as well because there's loads of flags and bars all along the street, like little temporary bars, you know, like little hut things. Looks pretty cool. First time I've been here. Like every time I've been to this part of Spain, I've never been to Tortosa, so it's nice to see. And my word, it is warm here. Whew, that wind is like an oven door. Van's locked. Let's go, look at this. We've arrived up at the castle and it is pretty stunning. Just having a little look around now. The views in every direction so far. Ooh. There's all these little walkways to go down, so I'm going to have a little walk around and see what's out at each viewpoint. Looks beautiful. And this is a hotel. It also says on the information there, there's a tomb here from the 10th century. That's so crazy. Like if you think America's like what, 300 years old, if someone lived to be 100, that's 3 people ago. They've got no history. The 10th century. Whew. Okay, over here is what I've actually came to see, the cathedral. Check it out. So back in the day they must have been watching on the CCTV there, waiting to be invaded. Watch them walk up here. Maybe he's using this car park. Right, we're just sitting here getting a quick drink before we leave the castle and then go down to the cathedral. It's very nice up here. I'm sure I've said this so many times before, but Fanta Lemon here is so much better than Fanta Lemon in the UK. Fanta Limon, oh, it is so good. It is like Mexican Coca-Cola, if you know the difference. That is so much different than Coca-Cola we get in England. This stuff is beautiful. Got the van back, another load of washing hung out. Now I'm going to get changed and hit a Chiringuito, get a little breeze, just heading down now. Show you that on the way. Right, we've just got the Chiringuito. Pam's put a lemon in my beer. I'm just sitting, enjoying this little breeze. Ah, lovely. Right, we're just in Bar Chim, just finishing the night off. Just had a couple of beers, Tinto de Verane, chilled, sat with Ian, having a lovely night. Tomorrow we're going to get up early, go down the marina, have a swim, then I'm going to pick Ross up, and then the real festivities begin here because the fiestas all start tomorrow, which will be awesome to see. It actually starts from there. Right, just heading back up now. That's the end of another day. But tomorrow is when the fiestas start. And I am excited for them, let me tell you. Just fell off the curb. So, I'll catch you in the next video for fiesta time. Peace.